Hi students, in this session let us learn about the exponential amplifiers, how to derive the output voltage equation or the expression for the exponential amplifiers. At the same time, we have to know some of the applications of the exponential amplifiers. So, what is meant by exponential amplifier? Exponential amplifier means where the output is proportional to the exponential of input. Okay, so what is output here? The output of the circuit is V out, and what is the input of the circuit? Input of the circuit is V in. Here the circuit is constructed by using an operational amplifier. Okay, so let us start the analysis. Now I am considering a node at inverting terminal which is V minus and the potential at non-inverting terminal which is V plus. So here V minus is the potential at inverting terminal and V plus is the potential at the non-inverting terminal. Okay, and here we are having a diode. So let us assume this is diode D1 and the current flow into the diode which can be indicated with ID1, and the potential or voltage drop across the diode D1 is VD1. Okay, now starts the analysis. According to the virtual ground concept, potential at inverting terminal is equal to potential at non-inverting terminal. For this circuit, the non-inverting terminal is grounded, so you can make it as 0. So due to non-inverting terminal is grounded, V plus equals to 0. Therefore, V minus equals to V plus equals to 0. Now, let us write the current equation for the diode. ID1 equals to reverse saturation current IS into e power V in by Vt minus 1, where V in by Vt is much greater than 1. So you can write it as ID1 is approximately equals to IS e power V in by Vt. Now let us take what is voltage drop across the diode. So the voltage drop across the diode, which is nothing but V in minus V minus. Okay, so VD1 equals to V in minus V minus. Okay, but according to the virtual ground concept, V minus equals to 0. Now substituting V minus equals to 0, then you get potential or voltage drop across the diode VD1 equals to Vn. This is one relation. VD1 equals to Vn. So in place of Vn, we just substitute VD1. Okay. Now see here. So here the current flow at this node is equals to ID1 is reached to the current at node V minus, and now we having two paths. One path is through resistor, that is current flow IR, and another path is inverting terminal, it should be I minus. So now you have to write the current equation at node V minus. At node V minus, what will happen? ID1 is equals to I minus plus IR. Okay, so according to the high input impedance impedance of op amp I minus equals to I plus equal to 0. Therefore, whatever the current flowing ID1 is equals to IR. Okay. Now, what is IR? What is meant by IR? IR is nothing but current flow into the resistor. Current flow into the resistor. So, you have to determine the IR here. So, here IR equals to V minus V out by R. Okay. So, you can write it as V minus V out by R. So, V minus V out is nothing but voltage drop across the resistor R. So, according to the virtual ground concept, V minus equal to 0. Now, you can write it as 0 minus V out by R, which is equivalent to minus V out by R. ID1 equals to minus V out by R. Okay, now you have to substitute this ID1 here. Okay, so let us assume this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now equate equation 1 and 2. Why? Because both are representing same ID1. So that you can write it as e power V in by Vt into Is is equals to minus V out by R. So that finally V out equals to minus IR Is into R e power Vn. Okay. Finally, V out, which can be expressed as exponential of Vn. So this is the output expression for the exponential amplifier. So the main application of the exponential amplifiers are wherever you want to convert smaller values, smaller range values into wider range. We have to use exponential amplifiers. Okay, this is a major application of the exponential amplifiers. So in this way you have to derive the output equation for the exponential amplifier. So finally you get a relationship between the V out and V in terms of exponential. If my explanation is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.